Once again, good morning, all of you.
Good
Uh,
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah,
During last weeks, we were in chapter of probability, and before that, we learned this chapter solid. And out of this exercise of solid, exercise 6.2 was remaining to finish. We completed up to question number 4, and some other questions were remaining. Actually, I was thinking to complete that exercise after completion of chapter 5, but because of the request of some of you, I want to complete it today. Let's go to exercise 6.2. Up to 4 number we already did. So look at question number 5. According to the question, I manage the background here so that you may describe it. So look at question as well as the background. A wall is 50 meter long, 0.2 meter wide, and 2 meter high, having two windows, each of size 1 meter into 0.2 meter into 0.5 meter. That means these are the dimensions of the window. How many bricks of size 22 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 5 centimeters are required to build the wall? First thing is length of wall is given. Look at its background. There is a wall. Think that its length is 50. 0.5 meter wide. इसको यो wall को चौड़ाई width मोटाई that is 0.2 छ भन्ने बुझ्नु पर्यो. Similarly, height of the wall is 2 meter. From top to bottom, its height is 2 meter. And it have two windows as in background. It have two windows, each of size 1 meter into 0.2 meter into 0.5. Its meaning is this is 1 meter and its width. यो विन्डोहरुको या डोरहरुको in each and every question related to this chapter, width of window or door is equal to width of wall. Wall को width जति हुन्छ त्यति नै window को पनि हुने हो, isn't it? त्यसै wall मा राख्या छ भने विन्डोले अकुपाई गर्ने भोल्युम क्याल्कुलेट गर्नको लागि हामीले त्यति नै width लिनुपर्ने हुन्छ है. So these are same. You can look at the question. 0.2 meter and 0.20 meter. If there is any problem in sound or any other problem, you may ask me, okay? You may tell to me at the same time. So these both are same, 0.2 for wall and 0.2 for window. And there are total two windows. So while calculating volume of wall, we know the simple formula, that is length into breadth into height. That is the simple thing to calculate volume of the wall. But question is how many bricks are needed? We have to find out the number of bricks. Number of bricks निकाल्नु पर्ने छ. अब number of bricks निकाल्दाखेरि यो दुईटा विन्डो भएको ठाउँमा ब्रिक्सहरु युज हुन्छ त? Will we
No, sir.
use bricks in
No,
these
sir.
windows? Use गर्दैनौ. So we have to subtract volume of these two windows from volume of whole wall. पुरै wall को volume length into breadth into height गरेर wall को volume निकालिसकेपछि यो दुईटा window को volume हरु माइनस गर्नुपर्ने हो. Then we will get the volume of bricks. यसमा युज हुने bricks हरुको volume निकाल्न सकिन्छ. And we can calculate the volume of one brick also. एउटा brick को volume निकालेर total volume लाई divide गर्यो भने we will get the number of bricks. Question is clear now?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Then look at its solution. Length of wall is 50 meter, clearly given in question. Breadth is 0.2 meter. Similarly, height is 2 meter. So we have the formula volume of wall, length into breadth into height. And it is 50 into 0.2 into 2. After multiplying these, we will get 20 meter cube. Similarly, size of the window. Size of one window is 1 meter into 0.20 meter into 0.5 meter. Size means these are length, breadth and height. So the volume of two windows. There is not only one. There are total two windows. Okay. So for two windows, we have to multiply the volume of one window by 2. एउटा विन्डो को भोल्युम लाई 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्ने हो. Is this clear to you? So multiply
Yes, sir.
this length, breadth and height by 2. It will give us the total volume of two windows. Now it is subtracted from the volume of wall to get the actual volume of wall on which bricks are used. Brick use भएको wall को volume निकाल्नको लागि यो दुईटा window को volume हरु अब हामीले minus गर्नु पर्ने हो. Volume of wall excluding windows, window is removed from it and it becomes 19.8 meter cube because 20 is volume of wall and 0.2 is volume of two windows. By
Two windows.
subtracting it, we get 19.8 meter cube.
Meter cube.
It's okay?
Okay.
Now, another thing is size of brick. Previously, while calculating volume of wall and volume of window, we used meter as the dimension. Dimension में हमले सेंटीमीटर यूज गरेका छैनौं. क्वेशनमा नै मिटर दिएको छ. त्यसैले ब्रिक को लागि पनि सेन्टिमिटरमा दिएको लेन्थ, ब्रेथ, हाइट तीनटै कुराहरु हामीले मिटरमा कन्भर्ट गर्नुपर्ने हो. And I think you know how to convert these centimeters into meter. So length is 22 centimeter. It is divided by 100 and it becomes 0.22 meter. Breadth is 10 centimeter. It is divided by 100. It becomes 0.1. Similarly, 5 is divided by 100. It becomes 0.05 meter. This is the size of brick. From this, we can calculate the volume of brick. Multiply these all three values. It is 0.0011 meter cube. You can calculate it yourself also. Now, our question is to find out the number of bricks. So what is the formula for number of bricks?
Volume of wall upon volume of brick.
Volume of bricks.
Number of required bricks is equal to volume of wall. It is capital V divided by volume of a brick. Euta brick ko volume. We have to use this formula. Number of bricks required is equal to capital V by V. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. We are using same formula. Number of required bricks, capital V divided by small v, and value of capital V, volume of wall excluding windows, because on windows we are not using bricks, so windows are excluded here. That is capital V 19.8, and volume of brick 0.001. Divide it, you will get the number of bricks required for the construction of wall with two windows. दुईटा विन्डो भएको wall को volume calculate गर्नको लागि, sorry, number of bricks calculate गर्नको लागि यसरी 18,000 आयो. Is there any confusion anywhere?
No, sir. No.
If there is any confusion, you may say it to me.
No, sir. No confusion.
Okay. It's good presentation for the people who are there. Very good. Then region. Region is from which section?
OG.
पछि खेलाइ बौद्धि
वाले पढ़े होते हैं भाई।
So mute yourself. Okay, then let's move to next question. Question number 6. All of you look at this one. 2450 piece of cubical blocks. If you will check your book, there is mistake. This cubical is missing. Okay. Cubical is missing. So you may rectify in your book. 2450 pieces of cubical blocks, each of size 20 centimeter, are required to construct a wall 15 meter long and 40 meter width. Sorry, 40 centimeter is given. Okay. Length of wall is given as well as width of wall is given. If the wall has door of size 2.5 meter into 1 meter, width of door is not given here. We have to use same width as wall. Wall को width जति छ त्यति नै यहाँ पनि हामीले युज गर्नुपर्ने डोर को लागि. And a window of size 2 meter into 3 meter. Length and breadth, two things are given, length and height as well as width of window is not given. We have to use same width as wall. Wall को width 40 centimeter छ भने window को पनि width 40 centimeter नै हुने हो. Door को width पनि 40 centimeter नै हुने हो. So what is the height of wall? Question is, height of wall is not given. You may check the question again. Wall को length or width, that means length and breadth are given, height is not given. That we have to calculate here. Question is clear to you? Question में कई confusion था बने? Again I will repeat it.
Height of the wall.
Is there any confusion in question?
No, sir.
Okay. We have to find out the height of wall. Length as well as height of door, length as well as height of window are given. Breadth of wall is 40 centimeters. So we use same breadth for both door and window. Length and breadth of wall are given. One thing is missing, that is height of the wall.
Wall.
So in its solution, number of blocks used 2450. As we are denoting number of bricks, number of blocks. So there is mistake, L is missing. Size of block is 20 centimeter. That means length of block is 0.2 meter. These are cubical blocks. And you know the formula, volume of cube. Volume of cube is L cube, isn't it? I have written here directly without writing the formula. Volume of a block, volume of one block is 0.2 cube. That is cube of the length. This line is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
We use the
Yes,
formula
sir.
L cube. If length is 20 centimeter, it is
Yes, sir.
0.2 meter and its cube is 0.008 meter cube. And you have to check this formula, volume of the all blocks, or directly we can write it. If volume of one block is 0.008, एउटा को volume 0.008 छ भने 2450 वटा को कति होला, यसले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने हो. Or you can look at the formula, volume of whole wall or volume of all blocks, that means same thing. सबै ब्लक को भोल्युम र पुरै वाल को भोल्युम भन्नु एउटै हो. Volume of wall is equal to N into B. We are using this one. Okay, we are using this formula. Volume of whole all blocks or volume of wall, number of blocks into volume of one block.
Number.
Multiply these two values, 2450 and 0.008. It gives us 19.6. Who is this rocking Thakuri? Change your name. Rename just now. And what message you sent to me? We want to play PUBG in class. Left now. Okay. So be disciplined. You are in class, not actually real class, but you are in virtual class. Then also be disciplined as like in your real class. Use your real names. Don't do unnecessary discussions. Concentrate to class. Okay. Is this clear to you? Volume
Yes,
of all
sir.
blocks. Now after getting volume of all blocks, again I have written the given things. Length of wall is 15 meters and breadth of wall is 0.4 meter. I converted 40 centimeter into meters by dividing it by 100. Okay, and our question is to find out the height of wall. And one thing you have to remember, in previous question we subtracted the volume of windows from the volume of wall. Wall को total volume बाट हामीले windows को volume subtract गरेर के आएको थियो? What we get there? We get the volume of bricks used or volume of blocks used, isn't it?
In the wall. Yes, sir.
Wall में use भएको ब्लकहरूको या सरी ब्रिकहरूको भोल्युम निकाल्नको लागि टोटल वाल को भोल्युम बाट हामीले विन्डोज को भोल्युम माइनस गर्दै थियौं. But in this question we have the volume of blocks. यहाँ हामीलाई टोटल वाल को भोल्युम दिएको छैन कि हामीले भर्खरै क्याल्कुलेट के गर्यौं ब्लकहरूको भोल्युम क्याल्कुलेट गर्यौं. अब यो ब्लकहरू बाहेक वालमा के पनि छ? We have door as well as window except the blocks, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
वालमा ब्लक छोडेर विन्डोज र डोर पनि छन्. त्यसैले वालको टोटल भोल्युम निकाल्नको लागि यो ब्लक्सको भोल्युममा विन्डोज र डोरको भोल्युम एड गर्नुपर्ने हो. इट्स जस्ट अपोजिट टु प्रिभियस क्वेशन. अघिल्लो क्वेशनमा टोटल वालको भोल्युम निकालेर त्यसबाट डोर र विन्डोलाई माइनस गरेका थियौं टु गेट द भोल्युम अफ ब्लक्स. बट इन दिस क्वेशन वी विल एड द भोल्युम अफ विन्डो एन्ड डोर टु गेट द टोटल भोल्युम अफ वाल. ब्लकको भोल्युममा अब हामी विन्डो र डोरको भोल्युम एड गर्नेछौं. Okay, let's continue from last question. Size of door is 2.5 meter into 1 meter. Width is not given. So we have to multiply these two along with width of wall. Wall को width जति थियो 0.4 meter त्यो हामीले यहाँ राखेको है. This is extra which we have taken from the width of wall. Wall को width जति नै door को पनि हुने भएकोले यो 2.5 into 1 meter मा extra राखिदियो. It is 1 meter. You may multiply it yourself. Next one, size of window. Window ko size 2 meter into 3 meters. It is multiplied by width of wall also 0.4. It gives us volume of window and it is 2.4. These two values 1 meter cube and 2.4 meter cube are added to volume of blocks. Block को volume मा window र door को volume add गर्यौं भने total volume of wall आउने हो. And its formula is L into B into H. You are familiar with this formula. Volume of wall is length into. Actually, I said use capital L, capital B, and capital S if length, breadth, and heights of blocks are given as small small letters, but I have not used these letters for the blocks. Blocks को लागि use नगरेको हुनाले यहाँ चाहिँ volume of wall कै लागि L into B into H use गरे है. So this thing I have written here. You can check it. Volume of wall. It means volume of blocks plus
Plus
volume of door plus
window.
volume of window is equal to length into breadth into height. Is clear to you? A big mistake is there. One extra bracket is there as well as or is missing. Okay. Okay, now simplify it. Put values of volume of block. Volume of block 19.6 the previous page ma थियो. And 1 meter cube it is volume of door and volume of window is 2.4. By adding these all we will get 6 into this is 15 into 0.4 is 6. यो दुईटालाई multiply गरेर 6 आयो into H. So to left hand side it becomes 23 by adding these three values and it is 6H. Now to get value of H we have to divide this 23 by 6 and H is equal to 3.83 meter. Is there any confusion in it?
No, sir.
If there you may ask. Is there problem from anyone? Bipasa, Gaurav? If you don't have any problem, I'll move to next slide. Have to wait or I can move to next one.
You can move, sir.
It is 10 minutes remaining. So after end of time, you will join again, okay? Up to 9:15.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Near about
Sir.
10 minutes remaining. So look at question number 9. The cost of constructing 63 meter cube wall is rupees 84,000. Question is find the volume of each brick if the cost of a brick is rupees 13. Total volume of wall is given. Wall पुरै wall को volume दिएको छ. त्यसैगरी total cost पनि दिएको छ 84,000 and cost of one brick is also given. Cost of total construction of wall, similarly cost of one brick as well as volume of wall is given. Question is find the volume of each brick. हरेक brick को volume निकाल्नु पर्ने हो. So look at the formulas at first. So formula यसबाट हामीले capital V दिएको छ, volume of whole wall and total cost T दिएको छ. Similarly cost of a brick C दिएको छ. Three values are given to us. What is given to us? Total cost capital T and cost of a brick small c. Similarly volume of wall we have to calculate small v, volume of a brick.
Yes, sir.
So at first look at these given things. Cost of a brick is rupees 13. Total cost 84,000. Volume of wall 63 meter cube. These three things are given. We have to calculate volume of each brick. अब यो volume of each brick directly आउँदैन. किन आउँदैन? You may look at the formula. हामीसँग दिएको भ्यालुमा वोल्युम अफ ब्रिक निकाल्नको लागि क्यापिटल V डिवाइडेड बाई n फर्मुला छ. देयर एनी अदर फर्मुला? चेक इट. Volume of a brick is equal to capital V divided by n. यो फर्मुला छ भने यो फर्मुला युज गर्नको लागि to use this formula we have to calculate n at first. We have to find out the number of bricks at first. Okay, so for number of bricks we have two formula. Take this formula page. Number of bricks is equal to capital V divided by small v. एउटा फर्मुला छ. यो दुईटा मध्ये हामीसँग small v छैन. We don't have small v, isn't it? And there is another formula also. Number of required brick is equal to total cost divided by cost of one brick. Can we use this formula? Number of required bricks n is equal to t by c. Can we use this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because we have total cost as well as cost of a brick. And दुईटा formula मध्ये capital V by V use गर्दैनौं कि हामी total cost by cost of a brick. We are going to use this formula now to find out the n at first. Number of bricks is equal to total cost divided by cost of a brick. It is 84,000 divided by 13 and it gives us 6,461.54. These are the numbers of bricks. अब यो exact आएन. You may write it 6,462 also in whole number, or you may leave it as it is.
Okay,
Whole number लेख्दा 6,462 लेखेर calculate गरे पनि हुन्छ. Now we can calculate the volume of each brick. Volume of each brick is equal to capital V divided by n. Capital V, that means volume of wall divided by number of bricks. Volume of wall is 63. Number of bricks 6,461.54. It is 0.00975 meter cube. You can convert it into cm cube also. अब यो ब्लक सानो हुने हुनाले ब्लक होइन कि ब्रिक हो है. Okay. If there is any confusion, you may ask me. If there is no problem, let's move to next question. Please reply. Any problem छ भने भनिहाल.
No, sir. Let's move to next question.
Okay.
So let's go next question.
All of you look at this question. Question number 11. Read the question carefully. In the west block of Bharati Bhavan Higher Secondary School, wall of bricks having 0.5 meter wide and 1.5 meter height is to be constructed surrounding a ground 200 meter long. To build that wall, bricks of size 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter are required. If the cost of a brick, transportation charge and wages are rupees 12, rupees 1.75 and rupees 0.25 respectively, find the cost of constructing the wall. You can check the given things at first. Wall construct गर्नको लागि bricks को length, breadth, sorry, not length, breadth and bricks. These are the length, breadth and height of the wall. 0.5 meter is width of wall, 1.5 meter is height. This height is not given in, there is print mistake in your book. Height लेखा छैन है. यो 1.5 meter height हो. You may rectify your book. Book मा यहाँ height थप्देऊ. Is to be constructed to surrounding ground of 200 meter long. That means length of ground is 200 meter. we have to construct the same wall of 200 meter. Its clear meaning is length of wall is 200 meter, breadth is 0.5 and height is 1.5. And size of bricks are given here, length, breadth and height 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 5. And cost of one brick, एउटा इटाको 12 rupees पर्छ. 1.75 this is transportation cost. इटा जहाँबाट ल्याउने हो त्यहाँदेखि वाल कन्स्ट्रक्सन गर्ने ठाउँसम्मको 1.75 rupees पर्छ. Again wages, लेबरलाई per brick 0.25 दिनुपर्छ. So by adding these three values we will get the actual cost of the brick. इटाको actual cost त्यहाँबाट आउने हो है. Let's finish within time so that no need to rejoin. Let time में finish कर दियो है.
Okay, sir.
Length of wall is 200, breadth of wall 0.5. So then we can calculate the volume by using formula length into breadth into height 150 meter cube, as well as dimensions of bricks are given to us. अब ये bricks को dimension लाई I converted these into meters by dividing each by 100. यो हरेकलाई 20 लाई 100 ले 0.2, 10 centimeter becomes 0.1 meter and 5 centimeter becomes 0.05 meter. So volume of brick, multiply these three values 0.2, 0.1 and 0.05. Up to now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
then
clear.
let's move to next slide. Cost of a brick with transportation charge and wages. Transportation charge is 1.75, wages 0.25 and cost of one brick is 12 rupees and total it becomes 14 rupees. एउटा इटाको 14 rupees पर्दो रहेछ सबै लगाएर ट्रान्सपोर्टेसन र wages ज्याला समेत लगाएर. And total cost of constructing wall we have to find out. Number of, at first calculate the number of bricks. Wall को volume लाई एउटा brick को volume ले divide गर्यो भने number of bricks आउँछ. And volume of wall is 150. You can check the previous slide. अघिको slide अब स्क्रिनशट गरेर राखेको होला त्यहाँ हामीले क्याल्कुलेट गरेका थियौं by multiplying